In today's lecture, we are going to solve the examples based on two variable K-map. Our first question is y is equal to AB plus AB bar. If you observe here, we are having only two variables. So two variables will have 2 raised to n, that is 2 raised to 2. Means we need to draw the 4 cells. So A and B are the variables which are given to us. So we are going to draw these 4 cells. Then we have written here two inputs as A and B. Then our two inputs 0 1 0 1. Now we will fill that given expression inside these cells. This 0 means what? A bar. 1 means what? A. 0 means what? B bar. And 1 means what? B. Now see, here they have given A B, means the first row of A and the first row of B, it contains either 0 or 1, means that will depends on you, means you can fill that cells either of 1 or 0. So here we are going to fill that cells with 1. A and B is there, so the second column and our second row we will put 1, right? Plus A B bar, means we need to consider the column of A. So this one, that is second column we are having, and row of B bar. So here it is B bar. So where they will intersect, we will put 1 and remaining cells will be empty. Our equation was AB plus AB bar. So AB. So first column of A, and I can't say first, it is second column of A, and this is second column of B. So this column and row where intersect we have put it 1 plus AB bar. So column of A and row of B bar, they are intersecting at this place, so we have put it there 1, right? Now what we are going to do, we will form the pairing of that. It will be of 2 4 8 likewise. So here we have only 2 ones, so I will form the group of like this. So here we have formed one group, so we are getting this pair. So final expression for this will be, see how many rows are involved in these two, B bar and B, but here the value is changing from 0 to 1, means what, we cannot write either B or B bar. Why? Because it is changing, means initially it was 0, then it becomes 1. So we need to neglect this B. Let us think about this A. Only A is involved in this, means A is not changing, 1 is constant for both now. So here we will write down only A. So our given equation was y is equal to AB plus AB bar, and its simplified expression will be y is equal to 1. So this will be the final solution for this given expression. Now we are going to study the second example based on two variable K-map. If you observe this, the equation is totally different. F is equal to summation of m inside the bracket 0 1 2 3. This summation of m means what? It is sum of product, okay, and this the numbers which are inside these brackets denotes the cell numbers, means 0 1 2 3. In previous lecture I have told you that after drawing that cells we need to give the cell numbers. So wherever the cell number will be there, you need to put 1. So what we have done in this example, 4 cells number are given, so we need to consider two variables. That means what, 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4, and hence we are going to consider the two variables as A and B. Then I have drawn this cell, given the input as 0 1. 0 means A bar, 1 means A, 0 means B bar, 1 means B. Then we know that how to give the numbers to the cells 0 1 2 3. Likewise we need to give the cell numbers to this, okay. After that, see, 0 is there, means at 0 cell number we need to put 1. Then 1 is also there, so at 1 cell number we need to put 1. Then 2 is present, so at cell number 2 we will put 1. then 3 is also there, so at cell number 3 we will put 1. Now we need to form the pair. So here we are having the 4 ones, so we can form the chord like this or pair like this, right? That pairing should be greater, right? So we are having this expression. But if you try to finalize the expression from these pairs, then see, 2 columns are involved and 2 rows are involved, right? So your initially first column was a bar, second time it becomes a, means it is changing. Similarly, b bar was initially 0 and after that it become 1, means a and b both are changing, nothing is constant in that. So for this we cannot write the expression. Okay, now our question is f is equal to summation of m inside the bracket 2 comma 3, means what? It will have total 4 cells, so I have drawn the 4 cells here. Then 2 variables will require a and b. Inputs as given are 0 1 0 1. 0 means a bar, 1 is a, it should be a only, 0 is b bar and 1 is b, right? Now 2 and 3, see, we need to give initially cell numbers 0 1 2 3, okay, and inside the bracket we have only 2 and 3, means what? At 2 cell number we will put 1 and cell number 3 we will put 1. So we have put these numbers inside the cells. Now we will form the pairs. Here only 2 ones are there, so we can form the pair like this. After pairing this, we can write the final expression. So let us write down the final expression. Y is equal to, how many rows are involved in this pair? 2, that is b bar and b, but initially it was 0, then it becomes 1, so we cannot consider the variable b. If you observe the variable a, then a is constant, initially it was 1 and for second one also 1, so we can write down the a. So we are getting the expression here as y is equal to a. Okay, hope so you understood the examples on 2 variable k maps. Thank you so much.